Hi, welcome back. Either if it is a programming language or a web scripting language, comments can be unavoidable sometimes. So, a developer usually makes note of his blocks of codes and its description using comments. So, when a new developer comes in and takes the place of him, he can easily understand by using the comments. Like this block of code is used for this concept, like that. So there are two types of comments in PHP. There is one is single line comment and another one is multi line comment. Further, single line comment can be given by two methods: double slash, double forward slash. The other type of comment, single line comment, is hash. Now I am trying to give multi-line comment using single line comment hash. Hope you can find the difference in color. This is green color and this is black color, which means even this note and this editor recognizes this as program and this as comment. So single line comment will take for only single line. For multi-line comment, forward slash star, and then ending of this multi-line comment is star forward slash. So the any content between or within this forward slash and slash and forward slash star and forward slash, this will be considered as comments. And that's it. So if we try running this file, you can find that this high, because we have given a high here, echo, but these comment lines won't be visible in output screen. Hope this video is useful. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting us.